What's so special about the area of an equilateral triangle? To get to its area, we need to understand a few concepts. First, all sides of the equilateral triangle are equal to each other, and so are the angles. All sides equal and all angles equal. So if we assume each angle to be x degrees, then 3x will be equal to 180 degrees, as sum of the angles of the triangle is always 180 degrees. Each angle will measure 60 degrees, but again the question is, how do we get to the area? Look at this equilateral triangle with sides S. If we drop our perpendicular from vertex onto its side, it will divide it into two equal parts. This length will be S by 2 and this length as well will be S by 2. This concept holds true even for an isosceles triangle. Here, if we drop our perpendicular to this side, then two lengths will be equal, both equal by y by 2. So in a triangle, when we have two equal sides and we dropped a perpendicular from the vertex joining the two equal sides to its opposite side, then the opposite side is divided into two equal parts. Now, we can move on to the area of an equilateral triangle. Look at this equilateral triangle with sides S. The perpendicular divides the side into two equal parts. Let this height be h. Now look at the figure. We need to find the area of this equilateral triangle only in terms of its side. It means we need to find its area in terms of S. How can we do that? We know that the area can be written as 1/2 base times its height. The base is already in terms of S. Now if we manage to get the height of h in terms of S, our life will be a lot easier. Now, can we get h in terms of S? Look at this right triangle for instance. Can be used of Pythagorean theorem to get h in terms of S. Let's see, we can say that S squared is equal to h squared plus S by 2 squared. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Solving this, we get h as the root 3 by 2 times S. Now we have h in terms of S. The basic formula for the area of triangle is 1/2 base times height that will be half the base S, and the height is root 3 by 2 times S. Solving this further, we get the area of an equilateral triangle as root 3 by 4 times S squared. That's our formula.